What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. This is actually not the video I had planned to give you guys today, but this fell in my lap today and I cannot wait to unbox it. I actually had another back to school video planned for you guys, so be on the lookout for that tomorrow. But today we have to get into this Grail that I am unboxing. It may not be a Grail to everyone, but it is definitely one of mine. I actually got this from a fellow sneakerhead I found on Instagram. Her name is Lady Sneakerhead. She was selling a couple of pieces from her collection. I saw this one on Kick It with Didi's page and I was like, oh, that's a great price, I gotta have it. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing so that I could show you guys and tell you guys more about what I picked up. A shoe that needs no introduction, the reverse shattered backboard. And these are looking just as described. These look great. She did say that she tried them on for a fit pic outside once, and that's exactly what these look like. Like, these are in great condition. VVVVNDS. Damn, I'm actually kind of speechless because like this is definitely a Grail of mine. Like, orange is one of my favorite colors, and the shattered backboard quality has been something that has been rumored about for such a long time, and now I can actually say for myself, like, it does feel different. It's buttery, it's nice, this is soft. Like, the tumbled leather looks great. And to top it all off, I got these at a really good price. I picked these up for $300. If you're not already aware, these are currently going for about $500 and up on StockX. I am a size 6 grade school, size 6 men's, whatever you want to call it, but these go for money, and she let them go for $320 shipped. That is a steal. Like, damn. I really am speechless. First impressions, the shoe looks crazier in person. I've actually never held these in hand. I've only seen online pictures, online video, Instagram photos, and they look and feel amazing. The bottoms are clean, almost pristine. Slight arse. I will be giving you guys an on foot, of course. Have to do those justice. So I'm gonna be doing it on foot for you guys real soon. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. That video will be coming, if not tomorrow, the next day. So look out for that. Until next time, guys, Veda is still going strong. See you here, same time, same place tomorrow.